In 1925, Pratt & Whitney developed the Wasp air-cooled aircraft engine. So radically advanced, it launched a new era in aviation for humankind. Today, with the pure power-geared turbofan engine, Pratt & Whitney is changing the future. Again. The most advanced commercial aircraft engine ever made, the GTF is another big idea come true. It's redefining the possible and delivering sustainable payoffs that are beyond amazing. At United Technologies, we dare to dream big and to invent the future. It's how we're engineered.